Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 6 integers exercise 6.1 question number 5 on page number 121. Now children, question number 5 is following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Place Siachen, temperature is 110 degree Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. Shimla 2 degree Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. Ahmedabad 30 degree Celsius above 0 degree Celsius. Delhi 20 degree Celsius above 0 degree Celsius. And Srinagar 5 degree Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. Now children, the first question related to this is write the temperature of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. Now children, we know above 0 degree are represented by positive integers and below 0 degree Celsius are negative integers. So this minus 10 below means minus, so this will be minus 10 degree Celsius. Now 2 degree Celsius below 0 degree Celsius, below means minus 2 degree Celsius. 30 degree above means positive, so 30 degree plus. Now children, 20 degree Celsius above 0 degree Celsius, above again plus 20 degree Celsius. Now children, 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. So this will go in negative 5 degree Celsius. Now children, question number B is following is the number line representing the temperatures in degree Celsius. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. Now children, here is the temperature, is the number line representing the temperature in degree Celsius. So we have to plot these names against these, against the degrees. Now what is the temperature of Siachen children? Minus 10. So here, see, here is 0. Here to the right of 0 are positive numbers. To the left of 0 are negative numbers. Now we have to plot which number children? Minus 10 degree Celsius. So here exactly we have to see, here it is Siachen. Okay. Now children, they are telling Shimla minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now children, we are seeing 0, minus 5, but there is no minus 2. But children, if you look at the intervals between 0 and 5, there are 4 lines there. So one line is representing 1 degree Celsius. So children, here now we have to move to which side, right or left? Left side, because it is minus 2 degrees Celsius. See children, now 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So here minus 1 it will be, and here it will be minus 2. So this is Shimla. Okay children. Now they are telling Ahmedabad 30 degrees. So this is Ahmedabad. Now children, Delhi, they are telling Delhi, this is 20 degrees Celsius. Now Srinagar minus 5 degrees Celsius. So there is no place, so I am writing upwards children. Srinagar is minus 5 degree Celsius. Understood children? Now they are asking which is the coolest place. Now coolest place means children, above 0 degree will be the hottest temperature and below 0 degree it will be the coolest temperature. Now children, the place that is to the extreme left will be the coolest. Now here we see Siachen is to the extreme left, so it will be the coolest place. So here we will write which is the coolest place? Siachen. Understood children? Now write the name of the places where the temperature are about 10 degrees Celsius. Now here is 10 degrees Celsius. Above means positive. So here is 10 degrees Celsius children. And the places that we are seeing about 10 degrees Celsius are Delhi and Ahmedabad. So we will write here Delhi and Ahmedabad. Understood children? This much part. Now children, question number 6. Now children, question number 6 is in each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line. Now children, the first pair is 2 and 9. Now children, 2 is here and we see 9 is here. So which one is right? To the right side, 9 is right to the right side. So we will write children, 9 is to the right of 2 on the number line. Okay children. Now see children, here -3 -8 both are negative, and in negative integers children, the smaller number is to the right and the bigger number is to the left. Now children, which from these two, if you see here, this is -3 and here this is -8. Which number, if you compare these two, which number is to the right hand children? -3. Means in negative number, the minus in negative numbers children, the smaller number will be always to the right hand, and the bigger number, negative number, will be to the left hand. So here we will write -3. So children, we will write -3 is to the right of -8 on the number line. Now children, if you compare this 0 and -1, you find that 0 is to the right hand of -1. So here we will write children, 0 is to the right of -1 on the number line. Now let's see the question number D. Now children, here is -11 and 10. Of course, 10 is on the right hand side and -11 will go here, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10 and -11. So it will be somewhere further. So it will be to the left hand side and +10 is to the right hand side. So we will write here children, 10 is to the right of -11 on the number line. Now children, without drawing the that number line, we will try to guess which number will be on the right hand side. Now children, here see, negative numbers are written to the left of the 0 and positive numbers are written to the right of 0. So which will come to the right? 6. So we will write here 6 is to the right of -6 on the number line. Now children, here again one is positive number and one is negative number. So positive numbers are always to the right of this and negative numbers are to the left hand side. So we can easily guess here that 1 is to the right of -100 on the number line. Okay children. Now let's see question number 7 children. Now children, question number 7 is write all the integers between the given pairs and write them in increasing order. Now increasing order means what children? From smaller to bigger number. Now children, here their first pair is 0 and -7. So I have drawn the number line. You don't have to take this 0 and 7. Now children, in increasing order, you see that when we go to the right hand side, we go in increasing order. So if you start from 6, -6, you will go in increasing order. So the smallest number is -6. This is increasing order children. So the numbers between 0 and -7 in increasing order is -6, -5, -4, -3, -2 and -1. Now children, if you compare these two numbers and if these two pairs are given -4 and 4 and they are telling you to write the numbers in increasing order, we don't have to consider this -4 and 4. Now children, in increasing order, again we will go to the right. Now if you go to right, the number that will be the smallest will become first. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. These are the numbers in increasing order. Okay children. Now the third pair is minus 8 and minus 15. So children, here somewhere there is 7, 6 like this. Okay. So now children, we don't have to consider this. Again, to go in increasing order, we have to move towards right. So the numbers between minus 8 and 15, minus 15 will be minus 14, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9. This is the increasing order of the numbers. Okay children. Now children, the question is